Hey all, we have had just a little bit of a hiccup with the ePortfolios. This is the first time doing it, so hiccups are to be expected. So I wanted to make this screencast to show you what you should be doing. After you click on the template and decide to make a copy of the template, you need to change your name, change the background, name what you're going to call your portfolio. And when you look up here at this is not the address that you put in. This is not the web address you share with me because this is the editing. You want to publish it as I showed you in the other video, but what I want to show you here is when you publish it, for this one, I'm going to call it Mrs. Langen. Okay, what I do want you to note is that, hold on, sorry, is that I want you to manage who can see it, not just giving access to me, but only the published site, not the draft. So the published site, I want you to give access to Gwinnett County Public Schools. Hopefully this will be good enough that eventually you want to give it access to the public, but for now, giving it to Gwinnett County Public Schools means that if you share your link with a friend, they can see what you're doing. Other teachers in the senior class can see what we're doing. So I'd like you to choose Gwinnett County Public Schools. Okay, so it's saying, okay, your site will be this. So the published link you share with me should look like this. It should have the GCPS and then whatever you name your site. You should have managed it, then you click publish. Now, when you share, you want to share the published site. Okay, so you're sharing this published site. Hope that helps.